In this short video, I'm going to show you the follow me function of the DJI Neo mini drone. I'm going to start running, and actually the drone is following me. So far so good. And I'm just going to stop and to see if what the drone will do. As you can see, that it just stopped. I continue walking and running at different speed, moving around to see if the drone is following me, and it is. Now the storage of this drone is 22 gigabyte of internal storage. There is no expandable SD card, so that's that. And I continue walking around. This is a farm. A few cows are here. Well, the cows are not in this side of the farm. They're in the other side. So that's why you don't see any cow around here. I'm walking, continue walking. Um, this, by the way, this is in the Dominican Republic, in the area called Sosua. The countryside where the farm is located in an area called El Choco. El Choco, yes. And I'm just moving around. Now there's a kid following me. He's about, I don't know, 4 years old, four or five, and these little kids can run. I didn't pay much attention to the sound. That was not what I was trying to accomplish. But the drone can record sound very nicely, and there is no sound. You don't hear the propeller making any noise when you're recording sound. As you can see, I'm walking. This is an even terrain area, so the land is not even here, and there's a lot of mango and avocado trees in the area. Um, as long as I'm following a straight path where there's nothing that can confuse the sensor or that the drone can smash into. Um, Basically, the drone is flying about 4 or 5 feet off the ground, and there is my little guy. He is just following me. I didn't modify the video in terms of color of anything. Just the way what you see is coming straight from the drone. There's no modification to the video. In a moment, just moving around, moving to see what the drone does. So far, so good. So as you can see, the drone is following me very nicely. The battery lasted about maybe, I don't know, 10 minutes, but this is DR and it's hot down there. If you have any comments, just write it down below, and like it if you like it, and subscribe. Thank you.